Oh, I think. Oh! Did it catch you?
Now I think your big brother needs to go in front of the jump ramp.
Go on, Ollie, your turn. Chaps, what have you got here?
It is an Anderson RC motocross bike.
Wow, that's, you know, that's spooky, because just a couple of days ago I saw that there's another manufacturer who's just released their own bike that looks practically the same. So you've had this quite a while, Trev.
This is really old. This is going back probably 2002.
Blimey.
Yeah, literally, I had it. We used it a few times, but about a week ago I've upgraded it to brushless motor and 2.4 gigahertz.
Oh, it was that old. It was on brushed motor.
Yeah, brushed and crystal. So I just thought I'd give it a bit of a revamp. I need to change the gearing on it because I reckon with all the power I can get more speed out of it. But it certainly went alright when we took it out for a bit of a test ride the other day. So it's going to be Finn's first time trying a bike. I've just had a discussion with him how the steering turns in the opposite direction to the bike turns.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
I had exactly the same conversation with my eldest son, Ollie. They were adamant I'd set up the steering the wrong way round. So
You only learn by trying it.
let's see how Finn gets on. We've got a jump ramp, which we haven't had before, so
Ooh.
yeah, might get some jump. Do you reckon you could jump over, Ollie?
No.
Yeah,
No?
yeah, we've got to try that, Ollie.
Uh-huh.
I don't think get past the
Tell you
gap.
what, if you can get it going
Jolly,
a straight
Ollie,
line,
Ollie, that's
mate.
your job in the Essential RT team, mate.
Not that good though.
All you have to do is lie there.
Don't trust Finn. You've seen the video. The dude does it. Goes
Finn,
into his
you can
head.
control it and get the jump ramp each time. I'll leave the play in front of it. I'll put my life in there.
In your son's hands.
Yeah, just for some extra views.
Hey, Dad, the motor isn't going.
Alright, keep the motor going. Keep it spinning. Fast. Faster.
But how fast do I need to get this motor to go? Oh my god.
What's smooth right here?
Oh my god. Okay, come on, turn.
What you want to do, if you come off the throttle very slightly on a turn, it'll turn in tighter. Do you reckon you could control that to get it right over the jump ramp?
Yeah.
You reckon? The turn to the right? Alright, see if you can do a successful jump, line it up, I'll land it. Oh, that was in my head.
It's quite a narrow ramp when you're aiming at it.
Yeah. Oh, well done.
Go on then, Trev.
Alright, let's do it.
Oh god. Yeah.
It's only a dedicated
That's very
father.
rare.
It's only a dedicated father that would do this for his son.
If I get a bike in the head.
Oh, I think. Oh!
Go.
Did it catch you?
Now I think your big brother needs to go in front of the jump ramp.
Go on, Ollie, your turn.
No, he's going to purposely drive it into me. They kick you in the face.
I felt something on the shoulder, but
I don't trust it because I'm straight into me on purpose.
probably, yeah.
Come on, somebody's got to lie in front of it.
Go on then, I'll tell you what. Finn, let Ollie have the go, you lay in front of it.
Yes.
Come on.
Come on, Finn. It's only fair.
It's not actually that slow really, considering that I can still gear it up a bit.
I really don't learn from that.
Come on, Finn.
I think from memory on loose dirt, that should be good fun.
Yeah. You could always do with going faster, but it's not slow.
Yeah.
This new version that's come out has an auto wheelie mode, doesn't it? I don't suppose this has that.
No, it's literally just full throttle brake to left and right. You're going to try the jump then, Ollie?
And it's got a mechanical gyro, not a electronic gyro like the latest
it's like
version.
weights that spin around in the back wheel with the freewheeling unit. So do you remember? I can't remember what they're called. Just a gyroscope you can use to pull with a string.
Yeah.
And it's basically that kind of principle. What, you're going to lay in front of it and ride it over you?
No, I'll try that though.
What do you want me to do?
Oh.